Good solid advice about how to make money online that anyone can use. If you would like to make money online like so many people all over the world, then you will want to read good tips to get you started. Each day people throughout the world look for different ways to cash in online, and now you can join those same people in pursuit of internet riches. Well, you probably won't get rich, but the following video has many great tips to help you get started making a little extra money online. Watch for scams. There are many ways to make money, but there are also scams. Read some reviews of ventures you wish to start before signing anything. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want from media design to promotions for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. Are you a good salesperson? Look into becoming an affiliate. In this line of work, you will earn money each time you sell a product that you have agreed to endorse. After joining an affiliate program, you will get a referral link. From there, you can begin selling products, either on your own website or on someone else's site. Try flipping domain names. This can be a lucrative and almost effortless way to make money, if you have the knack for it. It'll take time to research and some investment, but in the end it's essentially like buying up internet real estate. Use certain sites such as Google AdSense to research keywords that are currently trending. Buy domain names that don't have acronyms. Look for domain names that have the potential to earn money for you. Now that you read the above video, you are aware of all the money-making possibilities that exist in the online world. The only thing left to do now is to put these tips into motion, and see how you can reap the benefits of online money. There are many consumers today who love to shop online, and there is no reason why you can't get in on the action. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.